The Chennai Liver Foundation today organized a rally to spread awareness about liver diseases on the occasion of World Hepatitis Day. Nearly 500 students and members of different organizations took part in the rally at Chennai's Marina Beach, an NNIS exclusive. Students held posters and raised slogans against alcoholism, which causes damage to liver. The veteran CPM leader G. Ramakrishnan also participated in the rally. The participants of the rally said that not many people know that viral diseases like hepatitis can be completely cured.
I have organized a Chennai Liver Foundation for the last 15 years. I am running it, helping poor people with the liver diseases. The aim of this foundation is to prevent all liver diseases caused by very many causes. Number two, to support the needy people with the vaccination for prevention of viral diseases like hepatitis B and C. There is no vaccination available for hepatitis C, but we can treat it completely.
The organizers also insisted that people should ensure that their organs are donated after death to give life to others. He said that there should be proper education to people about how they can get rid of alcoholism because it not only affects health badly but also causes problems in families. The organizers also said that liver diseases can be prevented or liver transplant can be done to give new life to the patient.
Number two, alcohol is a major problem in our country. Alcohol kills the person through the liver. Liver gets spoiled in 10 years' time, and the person who is consuming heavy amount of alcohol for a long number of years, liver gets spoiled and he cannot survive. And I am seeing at the age of 40, 45, almost all the people are dying who are consuming alcohol uncontrollably. Number third, the fatty food. Fatty food is the latest event in our country. All the fast food restaurants supply only fatty food, and all the children are accustomed to eat fatty food. It causes fatty liver. Fatty liver, if it goes to grade 4, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 and grade 4, goes to grade 4, it is equivalent to alcoholic liver disease, and they die. Within about 15 to 20 years of time, the fatty liver disease people, they die of liver cirrhosis, liver cancer. So the fatty food should be avoided.
Powered by NNIS.